Now talk about yet another very important vein, okay, in the lower limb going towards the abdomen, and this is what is known as the superficial epigastric vein. So the anatomy of this vein, okay, let's quickly look at this. Well, here is the what? Superficial epigastric artery. So definitely you know that the vein runs alongside the artery, okay. So for this superficial epigastric vein, we said that what is a small superficial vein of the anterior abdominal wall, okay. So it accompanies the superficial epigastric artery. So that's why I brought the picture. Okay. Once you see the superficial epigastric artery, just know that the superficial epigastric vein usually runs alongside it. So it's formed in the superficial fascia of the lower anterior abdominal wall, okay, near the region of the what? Umbilicus and the inguinal region. Collects blood from the skin and the subcutaneous tissue of the lower abdomen. So it descends in the subcutaneous tissue. It runs inferiorly and laterally towards the groin. It passes through the saphenous opening, the fascia lata, okay, and it runs alongside the superficial epigastric vein. This one I was actually talking about superior epigastric vein. The superficial epigastric vein, right? See it. So we're talking about the wrong thing all this while, but it makes you understand it more. And I won't delete the video because it's good to know that errors could occur, okay. So superficial epigastric vein, see it down here, you know, is usually by the side running towards the umbilicus. Okay, so let's go structure. Okay, termination. It empties into the great saphenous vein just below its junction. This is the superficial epigastric artery. The superficial epigastric vein runs alongside it. So if you have seen the artery, it's just like we have seen the vein. So tributaries, we have small twigs from the inguinal region and the lower abdominal wall, communicates with other superficial veins of the abdominal wall. It drains the skin and the superficial fascia of the lower anterior abdominal wall. It contributes to the venous return from the inguinal region. So it's very important in the saphenofemoral junction, you know, varicosities, you know. It's also very important in all those surgeries that are done around that region.